Draft a new email reply and forward in the new Outlook. Here's how to create a new email in the new Outlook for Windows. From your inbox, select New Mail. You can also start an email from your calendar by selecting New Event Mail. Type in your recipients, then add a subject. Write your message and select Send to respond to a message. Open the message, select whether to reply. Reply all or forward, and write your response. You can also respond directly from the ribbon. Thank you for watching us.